All right.
We're at Hyer Hall at SMU.
Go and call the elevator, Alex.
Start off by going down first. Alright.
Here comes Ben. And it wants to shut.
Yep.
This one has a loud fan.
Yeah. I could maybe turn the fan off.
All right, let's be quiet and listen to the motor going up.
Okay.
Hit 2.
Oh, you don't want to...
Well, you'll see.
Okay, we'll stop it too on the way up.
Listen. Emma just randomly stopped it.
Whoa!
There. Oh my gosh, look how small this is.
This is a very small elevator.
Look at this, oh my god.
Oh, look, they also have an on-off light switch, but
Yeah, it's a key, but you can turn the fan off though with that switch.
let's not turn the fan off.
Oh, I did. I already did. So that, Jim, so that way we could hear the motor.
All right, send it down to B, Emma.
Oh,
Oh, you want to press
oh,
B?
sure.
It'll go. Now listen to this, Emma, when we go back up to the first floor.
Okay.
I believe this one's from 1968 as well. Look how tiny this is.
This weighs only 1,200 pounds, it says up there.
This is also bottom drive. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut the door.
Okay.
You ready, guys?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start it up. Here we go.
Hit it.
Alright, I'm gonna put the fan back on the way it was here.
Yeah.